Tri-Blade 6-0, Tri-Blade 3-3. Do you have a copy on North Central 4-1, over? Okay. Yeah, because North Central region needs that intercom also, but he's way too close to me also. Tri-Blade 4-3, Tri-Blade 3-3. Do you have the intercom message, sir, that you could pass to North Central 4-1 possibly, over? Okay, I'll tell you what, I think I will then pass it to you first, and would you contact North Central 4-1 that it's coming his direction, over?
Will so. 4-1, Tri-Blade 4-3.
Now to the folks that still need it. If you do not need it or don't want to practice copy, you may secure at will. I am targeting Tri-Blade 4-3. I will check with Middle East 5-2 and Tri-Blade 1-0 after passing it, and we'll reread it if we need to. Tri-Blade 4-3, Tri-Blade 3-3, please copy message number 5-3. Is routine time 1013 20 Zulu April 15. This is from Icebell, November Hotel, Quebec, slant Delta Oscar Kilo Oscar. This is to Icebell, November Echo Romeo, comma, Mike Echo Romeo, comma, Golf Lima Romeo, comma, Sierra Echo Romeo, comma, November Charlie Romeo, comma, Sierra Whiskey Romeo, comma, Romeo Mike Romeo, comma, and Papa Charlie Romeo, comma, in end of the 2 line. The info, all communicators. Subject, intercom 105. And the group is 25. Break. Text follows. During constant watch, figures 1-5. I say again, during constant watch, figures 1-5. The Tri-Blade net. I say again, the Tri-Blade net will be active. I say again, will be active for figures 2-4 hours. I say again, for figures 2-4 hours, beginning figures 1-5-1-9-0-0 Zulu, May, period. I say again, beginning 1-5-1-9-0-0 Zulu. May, I spell Mike Alpha Yankee, period. Contact your DC, I spell Delta Charlie. I say again, contact your DC for your wings. I say again, for your wings. Specific exercise plan, period. I say again, specific exercise plan, period. Show this message being sent at 23 minutes past the hour. Tri-Blade 4-3, Tri-Blade 3-3, over. I say again, figures between beginning and May. 1, 5, 1, 9er, 0, 0, Zulu, over. Okay, all after your wings, specific exercise plan, period. I say again, specific exercise plan, period. Over.
Roger, specific exercise plan, period.
Okay, if you can pass that along to North Central 4-1, and then we'll see about the other two stations. Over. Thank you very much, sir. Out. Okay, Tri-Blade 1-0, Tri-Blade 3-3, over. Yes, and were you able to copy any of that, or do you still need the other file, over? completely. Middle East 5-2, Tri-Blade tree, over.
This is Middle East 5-2, over.
Yes, sir. Were you able to copy the intercom just now when Tri-Blade 4-3 was reading it, or do you still need it, sir, over?
I copied it from you, and I copied it again from him. Solid copy from both. You initially said you had given it to Tri-Blade 5-1 for transmission in this area. We rarely, if ever, hear that station. We're too close to him, Oliver.
No, I understand. Yeah, that he was the one that accepted it for the region this morning. So, okay, I'm glad you were able to get it. I was on an antenna that doesn't really favor you. So I'll turn to the west. Wait. Okay, Tri-Blade 1-0, Tri-Blade 3-3. Sounds like you're the only one left, ma'am. How's the path, over? Yeah, then let's go with it. Please copy my message number 5-4. Routine. Time 101320 Zulu. April 1 flight. This is from Icebell, November Hotel, Quebec, slant Delta Oscar, Kilo Oscar. This is to Icebell, November Echo Romeo, comma, Mike Echo Romeo, comma, Golf Lima Romeo, comma, Sierra Echo Romeo, comma, November Charlie Romeo, comma, Sierra Whiskey Romeo, comma, Romeo Mike Romeo, comma, Papa Charlie Romeo. Info all communicators. The subject is intercom 10, right? The group is 2-5, right? During constant watch, figures 1-5. I say again, during constant watch, figures 1-5. The Tri-Blade net. I say again, the Tri-Blade net will be active. Okay, again, will be active for figures 2-4 hours. I say again, for figures 2-4 hours. Beginning figures 1-9-0-0 Zulu. May, I spell Mike Alpha Yankee, period. I say again, beginning 1-9-0-0